In the springtime, you may be seeing these little things that come up in your yard. There's these nice little shoots, and they're all over. And what is surprising is they are very edible, and they taste wonderful. This is a hosta plant. They grow into big leaves, and if you get them while they're young, they are very, very nice to eat. You simply fry them up in butter. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to harvest, prepare, and eat these wonderful hostas. When they have the shoots, the taller and thinner or younger they are, the better. And you can see here, this one is starting to kind of open up. So you know that is when it's time to pick. You want to get them before the leaves pop out. To get it, just grab a knife, go right down at the bottom, and cut it off. And there we go. So that would be one there. I'll take probably this one. And that's all for now. You want to be careful not to take too many because they will continue to grow. And if you cut them all off, then your hosta will kind of look funny when it comes to growing. So the next, I'll show you how to prepare them to keep in the refrigerator and then cook and eat. Okay, so I have the hosta's shoots cut, and here they are. So to store them, if you're not going to eat them right away, now I recommend you eat them right away, but if you want to keep them in the fridge for a day or two or up to a week, you can get a little moist paper towel. I've already dampened this one down. Then what you'll do is lay the hosta shoots on there so the bottoms are going to get touched by this moist paper towel. And then you'll bunch it up like this and kind of wrap it so it's in a circle. And then what I like to do is take and stand them up right in a little Ziploc bag. And then that seals it up and prevents the paper towel from drying. So you just take them and put them right in this bag. Just like that. And there they are. You stand them up in the bag, they'll last in the fridge for about a week. So the next step, I'll show you the cooking process and eating them. Alright, here we are. Now we are going to cook the hosta shoots. So to do that, all we need to do is put a little bit of butter in a pan here. I got like a tablespoon. Let it melt. And I'm going to also add a little bit of water. About like that. Get the heat on high. Put a lid on and we'll let that melt. And I have the hosta shoots right here, still in the wet paper towel. So I'll take each one and just kind of lay them down in there. Then they'll cook and steam, and after about 5 to 7 or 10 minutes, they should be soft and ready to eat. Okay, so here they are. This is the cooked product. I'm going to lift off the lid here. They smell wonderful. And you can see here they're very, very soft. So they're real nice and tender. And that's it. That's all it is. You can cook them to your likeness. You could probably even eat them without cooking them, but that is it. So now you would just eat them like you would an asparagus, and the flavor is pretty similar to an asparagus, but it's also kind of starchy a little bit like a potato. So that is it. That is how to cook and eat hosta shoots. and they taste really wonderful, so I recommend you try them at home.